You're filming great content. You've got amazing ideas. But if nobody sees it, it's like shouting into the void. Here's the thing, what makes your reel stop the scroll is the visual. If it doesn't catch the eye in that first second, you've lost them. That's where CapCut overlays comes in. I'm Celina. I teach busy mom how to use AI to build their business without sacrificing family time. Today, I'm showing you how to create stacked video overlays using the desktop version of CapCut. All you need to do is download the CapCut app, and the best part is it's free. There are some pro features, but you can get away without using them as a beginner. And the best part, once you have your clips ready, stacking them in CapCut takes just minutes. So let's dive right into it. So open your CapCut app. You go to this blue tab on the very top with a plus sign, click on Create Project, and it's going to show you a new window, look like this. So you want to go to Import. You can see a box right here that says Import. Just click on that, and then you can choose all the file or folder on your desktop. In this case, I already have 3 videos ready, so I just wanted to select all of them, and then click Import. Because today, I'm going to show you how to create those stacking video effect. So I'm stacking those 3 videos together to make it into one screen. So let's just pick our middle frame, and you want to do it like overlay. So let's say if I put it in the back, that means I extended the video to make it longer. But if I want to do the overlay effect, I wanted to put it on top of it. So it's stacking over it. It's creating the overlaying effect. And then I'm going to put in my third video, and you can decide where you want them to start or to end. But in this case, I wanted all of them to start from the beginning. And next, what we wanted to do is, because we have a vertical format for our reels or shorts or TikTok, these are vertical format. But when I filmed this video, because I know I'm going to create a stacking video, so I did it horizontally. So that way it gives me more frame space. I can crop it to fit it perfectly. So let's go ahead and crop this video. So you can see there's a toolbar over here. So this one is crop. So you just want to select the crop feature. And once you click onto it, it will give you this window. So you can just move around and then just showing where you want the frame to be. And then once you select, you think it's okay, and then just click confirm there. And then we'll just move it to the side, and then we can start moving on to the next one. Okay. The second click, once you click onto it, you can also see here it's highlighted so that you know it's selected. So again, we're going to go to the toolbar here. It's called crop. And then let's just do that. Repeat the process. And you can adjust, like I want to get rid of some of the screen. You can do that. You can move around. It's pretty flexible. So let's say I want to move this one to the top, and then I have this one on the bottom, and I have my medium frame ready. Another thing that you wanted to remember is when you import the files, it also imported your audio into it, because you might have background noise. If those are not aligned, it's going to be very noisy, and you don't want that. So you just want to make sure you turn the volume off every time when you import a new video. You just want to make sure one by one to turn off the volume. Go to the audio here and then turn it off. Next, this is the bar that you can drag and see where your video is going to be look like. And I wanted them to end at the same time. So I wanted to trim it. I'll just align it with this video because that's the shortest one. I'm just going to trim it right there. I'll just drag this bar, and then you click the clip you wanted to trim, and then just slide it. Slide the bar to align with where you want the video to stop. And then let's move on to the third clip. And you click onto it and you drag there. So now my video right now is going to start from the same place and ending at the same place. So let's hit play just to see how it turns out. Okay, so now you see this middle clip, my head is a little bit cropped so I don't like that. I wanted to fix that. How do we do that? All right, so we got to find the clip. So when you click onto the clip, it will show you which clip are highlighted, which means that is the one you wanted to fix. So in this case, I can fix this part. It'll be an easy fix. So I just click onto it, and then I'll go to crop, and then I just slide it up a little bit. All right, to make it shorter there. Now, so once we have all our frame ready, we can import a music. So there's a audio on the left-hand side. That's where CapCut has its own music library. So you can just click onto that, and then it will show you all the music here. So there's a variety of music you can choose from. Just pick the one that you like. And then this one is the one that I saved. So let's try this one. First, what I did was I go to music and I choose the one I like, and then I just click on the star sign, and then I can save it into my favorites. Once I save it, it will be right here. So that is the one that we just saved. So this is a violin one, and you can click onto it to preview it, to hear it. And in this case, I wanted to use this one that I saved, Good Day. So all you need to do is drag it and then put it right here. Another thing I wanted to mention, because it will leave wherever you drop it. So if you drop it here, it will start right here. So you wanted to make sure where you put it is where you wanted to start the music. And as you can see, the music is quite long. So this music is 1 minute and 24 seconds. If you move your cursor, it goes on and on and on and on. We don't want it to be that long. We wanted to trim it. We want to trim it where our video stopped. So you just drag your cursor and put it where the video ends. And then you go to your toolbar and then find the tools called split, and then click onto that and you can split the clip. And now all you need to do is delete that. So you can type on your keyboard, delete, or you can click on the tool right here, delete. You want to make sure your beep matches your video. You just have to play with it. You can add like keynotes, mark. So here is the old auto mark beats. It can help you to mark your beats. So now it's none. So if you click on beats 1, it will give you where the beats, like the bigger beats. So if you want to do beats 2, it will give you the shorter, punchier one. So you just play with it and then see if the music is matching with your movement. Let's hear. All right, I think it's okay. So all you need to do is the right-hand corner, it's export. So you just want to click on export, and then you can choose to give it a name. I can do just real, and then it will tells you exactly where it's going to export to. So in this case, I wanted to download to this one where the folder that I created, it's called CapCut folder. So I wanted to download it to that folder. You just click on open, and now it will export to where you want it to be. And then the resolutions, you can choose this and you can go higher as well, but the standard is 1080. I think that is good enough for now, because if you don't want it to be too large as well, it's going to give you a problem when you're uploading the files to social media platforms. So it depends on how you use it. You can choose the size. And now I just wanted to click export. All right, if you click on open folder, boom, there you have it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'd love to know if you have any questions, comments, or ideas for videos you'd like to see. Drop them in the comment below. And if you want to learn how to do overlays on your iPhone, I have another tutorial for that. So go check it out. Happy creating!